How are you all children? All are fine? Yes? All are safe at home? Okay. Sai Ram. This is our EVS period. This EVS period, children, we are going to learn chapter number 9, My School. So now all of you keep your book ready on the table. Only keep the book ready. Keep your pencil and eraser also. Don't open the book. Don't open the book. Only keep the book ready on the table. Yes, children? Okay, that is New Green Tree. I think all may be having the book by now. Have you kept the book ready on the table? You will not open the book. You will not open the book. Yes? Okay. That is. So today we are going to learn about my school. Now, you all know about Shrima Vidyalaya, your school, right? It's a very big school. Am I right, children? Yes. So, now let us see how is Shrima Vidyalaya. You all may be knowing, children, those who have come from senior KG to first standard, they all may be knowing about our school. Only there are few children who have taken new admission. They may not be aware of the surroundings of the school, how the school is inside. But most of you may be knowing about our school. Now let us see about Shrima Vidyalaya. Right? Now children, now as soon as you enter the school premises, on the ground floor you can see a reception room. Right? What is reception room? Where you can go and make enquiries. And on the right hand side, you have the fee counters where your mummy goes and pay the fees. Am I right, children? And on the left hand corner, we have our computer lab. It's a very big computer lab. Even on the basement, we have a computer lab. Okay, now as you enter the first floor, what you see again on the left hand corner, we have Principal Madam's room. Our Principal Madam's room. Right? Now, as you climb the stairs and come to the first floor, as soon as you reach the first floor, we have their classroom. Many classrooms. Right? And we also have a small deck area. It is called a deck area where small children, they go to play there. They have their activities in the deck area. Right. Now let us come to the second floor. As you come to the second floor, again in the second floor we have classrooms, and also one sick room is also there in the second floor. Right? And as you come to the third floor, ours is a very big school, you all know that. Then as you climb the third floor, there also we have many classrooms, then madam's cabin and teachers' staff room. What is a staff room? Where teachers sit and do their work. Right? And we have a madam's cabin also. And on the other side, we have our library. You all know what is a library? In library, you can find various types of story books, informative books, science book, all types of books. Okay. Now, let us come to the fourth floor of Shrima Vidyalaya. The fourth floor, again we have classroom, and we also have a science lab. It's a very big lab, that is laboratory. Okay. Now, after the fourth floor, we have our fifth floor. How many floors we have? Total 5 floors. In the fifth floor, again we have classrooms. Again there is a lab and also a big hall where all activities take place, like dance practice all the activities take place. This is about our school, Shrima Vidyalaya. Yes, children. Now, before we start the chapter, it is our usual practice to go through the hard words. Right? Now, let us see the hard words. You will not open the book, just listen to what teacher says. Okay. What is the first word? School. Learn. Read. Write. Sing. School. Learn. Read. Write. Sing. Right? Okay. Now we have seen 5 words here. Now, next 6th word is play, draw, lessons, teach, classrooms. Play, draw, lessons, teach, classroom. See, this chapter you all have got big words to learn. Okay, no problem, you all will learn. You all are smart children. The 11th word is library, playground, office, assembly, sick room. Library, playground, office, assembly, sick room. How many words in all we have seen? Till now, 15 words. Now, let us go to the 16th one. Teachers, things, many, other, help. Teachers, things, many, other, help. So these are the 20 words you need to learn by heart. Okay, these words we will write next week in the notebook, in book number 4. Okay. Till that time you can relax. Are you all happy children? Or you want to write now? You don't want to write? Yes or no? Shall we write now? No? Okay. We will not write today. Okay. Next EVS period I will make you write. So be ready next week to write these words. All big words. Okay children. Now you open page number 42. Page number 42. Lesson number 9. My school. My school. Children, be attentive. Look at the book. Wherever possible, you try to identify the word and try to understand. Okay, children. Shall I start? We go to school to learn. We learn to read and write, to sing, to draw and to play. What do you do in the school, children? We learn to read and write, to sing, to draw and to play. Teacher teaches you to read, write, sing, draw and to play. Our teachers help us with our lessons and teach us many other things. We also make friends at school. You all may be having friends at school, right children? Now you are missing your friends. Don't worry, very soon you will be able to meet your friends and you all can come to school also. Okay children? Yes? You all want to come to school and meet your friends? Okay. Now see page number 43. Which of these do you have at school? Take them. Take them. That is, which all you have at school, you will take them. We have seen what all rooms we have in the school, right? Now we will see the picture of each room. Okay. Now this is the classroom. Have you got classroom in Shrima Vidyalaya? Yes. Put a tick there. Did you put a tick there? Put tick means right. Then, do you have a library in Sri Mahavidyalaya? I told you we have a library in the third floor. Again, you will put a tick. Okay? Fine. Now, let us go to the next playground. Do you have a playground in Sri Mahavidyalaya? Do you have a playground in Sri Mahavidyalaya, children? Yes? Do you have a playground? Yes. Do you have a playground? Yes. Do you have a office in Sri Mahavidyalaya? Yes. Do you have office in the school? Yes. Put a tick there. Okay. Now, let us see the next picture. Assembly hall. Do you all have an assembly hall in Sri Mahavidyalaya? Yes. Do you have a sick room? I told you we have a sick room in the second floor. So there also you will put a tick. All these rooms we have in Sri Mahavidyalaya also. Right? Okay. Now, complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. The name of my school is, what is the school's name? Your school's name? Sri Mahavidyalaya. Sri Mahavidyalaya. See, remember, it is a name, so it will start with a capital letter. S will be capital, M capital, and V also capital. The name of my school is Sri Mahavidyalaya. Over? Yes. It is in Thane. It is in Thane. Where is the school? It is in Thane. Yes? Okay. The subject I like is, see, you will write the subject which you like. Because teacher I doesn't know which subject you like. So you can write any subject, either English, Maths, whichever subject you like, you can write. Okay, children? So which subject you like, that you will write. Then the game I like to play is dash. So you will write your favorite game. Either it will be a football, hockey, cricket, whichever game you like, you will write. That is, the option is with you. Okay, children? The subject I like best is, you will write the subject, your best subject. The game I like to play is, you will write the game you like to play. Okay. The name of my teacher is Sudha. See, I have written here Sudha. All the children, you will write your respective teacher's name. All different divisions, you have got different teachers. As for example, I have just written my name. Okay? A division children will write their teacher's name. B division children will write their teacher's name. So, all the respective division teacher's name you will write. Okay? Okay. Now, take the correct word. Take the correct word. Now, at school, our teacher, principal help us with our lessons. Who help us with your lessons? Teacher. So, put a tick on teacher. We should be on time or late for school. You should be on time. You should be on time. Put a tick here. On time. Okay. We borrow books from the library. I told you, you get books from the library, right? We eat in the or work in the lunch break. What do? We eat. We eat in the lunch break. We run and play in the playground. The second option, playground. Not in the classroom, but in the playground. Okay, children? Okay. That is the second option, playground. Now, shall we go to the next question, children? Yes. Again, here you will see what you are going to do is you will circle what you do at school. What you do at school. So, what you do at school? Do you play at school? Yes. So, what you will do? You will circle. You will circle. Then, do you watch television? No. Do you write in the school? Yes, it is already circled. Do you eat in the lunchtime? Yes. So this also you will circle. Do you shout? Do you shout? Yes or no? No. What is the next one? Do you read? Do you read in the school? Yes. So this also you will circle. This also you will circle. Now the next one. Do you sing? Yes, in the music period, teacher teaches you singing, right? So this also you will circle. Do you sleep in the school? No. Then do you paint? Yes, in the drawing period, right? Okay. Do you bathe in the school? No. Do you fight in the school, children? Yes. Do you fight in the school, children? Do you dance in the school? Yes. The dance period, teacher teaches you dance, no? Yes. Okay. So this also dance also you will circle. Okay. Now let us come to this. Look at this picture and we will try to answer. We will try to answer. What does the picture show? What does this picture show, children? A classroom or a playground? Tell me. The picture shows a playground. See, you cannot see the classroom. The classroom is inside. But we can only see the playground. Right? So, what you will write? The first answer. The picture shows a playground. What are the children doing? The children are playing. The children are playing. The children are playing. Now, let us go to the next question. How many children can you count? Count the children. How many children? There are 10 children. All of you count. Count and see whether there are 10 children. I'll give you time. Just count and see, children, whether there are 10 children. 10 children are there? Yes. 10 children are there? Okay. How many trees can you see in the picture? Count the trees. Count the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees are there. So there are 4 trees. What is the color of the school building? Tell me the color, children. It is, the color of the building is beige. B-E-I-G-E. B-E-I-G-E. The color of the school building is beige. Is it clear, children? Yes? Okay. Now, let us come to the poem. Let us come to the poem. The school bus. The school bus. We hop on the yellow bus and off to school go all of us. At school, we have a happy day. We learn and laugh and also play. A funny day at school we spend. Get on the bus at the very end. Honk honk, says the yellow bus, as home it brings all of us. You all enjoy coming to school in bus, children? No, in bus also you all meet your friends, you talk to them, you fight also in the bus sometimes. Yes, children? Okay, now this is about the chapter My School. My School. The next period we will do the classwork, that is question answers in book number 4. So till that time children, just try to read the lesson and complete these answers. Okay, and complete these answers. They are very simple, small answers only. You can write in the textbook itself. Okay children, have a nice day. Bye children. See you.